Right, I don't know where to start from, but I'm gonna start from somewhere anyway. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl JennyFyn. If you are new here and if you're not new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so before you go. So welcome back, my beautiful family or JennyFyn. You know, I need to actually create a name, like a bubble name for you guys. I could call you guys fam, I could call you guys butterflies, I could call you guys anything, but I don't know. But please come up with a name down below for things for me to call you, and I'll also try and, you know, come up with my own name as well. So yeah, so guys, you got babes, you guys, okay, I'm used to saying you guys, so I'm finding it difficult to, you know, switch it around. So you babes want a makeup tutorial and this video, but for now, since I'm trying to get my energy back and get back in my groove, because I remember posting, you know, on my community on YouTube, you know, just tell you how I'm feeling. So right now I'm currently filming this video at 11:19. That's to tell you that I am trying. You know, it's not easy to just set up okay, it's not easy to set up all these lights and camera and move things back and front. Like, it ain't easy. So for me doing this, I really want to push myself forward as I'm doing this. As you know, this intro is getting too long now, so I'm gonna like cut it short. For this video, or for today's video guys, I am gonna be doing a challenge, 10 minutes makeup challenge. I think I've only had one makeup challenge on my video, and that's 5 minutes, and that was like a couple of years ago with my friends. That was years ago, very old video. So after that video, I haven't done any makeup challenge on this channel, so this will be a first in a long time. So hence a 10 minutes. I know now you can do like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, you know, makeup challenge, but I just want like 10 minutes is kind of like a realistic good time for someone to get ready. If you are not going now, if you just a quick get ready, going, that kind of thing, how quick can you get ready? Because me, on a normal day, normal situation, it takes me an hour to get ready, just normal makeup look, and when I want to be creative, it takes me about 3 hours. So I've already placed my items here that I need for this look. So I'm just gonna, okay, I'm not contouring, just, yeah, I'm not contouring. So I have all my brushes right here. I'm trying to make it easier for me, so just where I'm getting ready, everything's on the go. So yeah, all my makeup is right in front of me. I brought my primer, yeah. So it's a playful makeup, it's a quick makeup, and let's get on to business. So I am gonna go to my timer, or stopwatch, timer. So I'm gonna time 10 minutes. Okay, my 10 minutes start now. Okay, a lot of okay in this video. First things first is primer. Okay, I just said okay. Just blend it on the skin. Good thing that I have my eyebrows, you know, threaded. Okay, I'm wasting time on the primer. Okay, my foundation, I'm using this, shake it very well, sorry, it's a bit liquidy. Using this foundation from, I don't even need to be saying that, like, I don't have time. I'm talking where I'm getting my foundation from. Like, who does that? It's like, if I'm doing my makeup in a rush and someone's talking to me, I'm not gonna answer them. God, it smells nice. It smells nice. Ooh. Oh, see, I like a full coverage foundation. Yeah, I'll be cheating if I didn't make it full coverage, because on normal day I don't wear thin layer foundation. Oh god, I know I'm wasting like Ooh, 8 minutes. Sorry. No, 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 no. Oh, okay. Chin, joint area, blend, 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 blend. Come on. Oh, okay. At least one. I like to be perfect, but not really. You know, concealer. God, 7 minutes. Where have I? I'm not even close to finishing. My mirror. This is that mirror. Ooh. Yeah. Let me use 1 minute to blend this. This is disaster. Like, this is wrong again. Using brush to blend my concealer. Right now I'm brushing. You know, use this to blend my concealer because everything is, it's not blended properly. Okay, right, I think that's good. Powder, set it. Powder. Let me, no creasing. Alright. What do I use to set it? This beauty blender. Oh god, I forgot my eyebrows. Oh no. Oh no. You know what? No eyebrows. Ooh, I forgot my eyebrows. How many minutes? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay. Set this face. Ooh. Okay. Is it enough for eyeshadow? Okay, that will be last. Like, come on, face. Ooh, 5 minutes. I'm trying to remove this powder. Okay. Blush. I'm gonna do blush on my eyelid because ooh, my skin is so texture right now. Ooh, right, blush. Ooh, nice blush. Highlight. Ooh, stiff eye. Ooh. Oh my god, why did I pick this? Okay, 4 minutes. Okay, that's too much. Okay, I'm wasting my time. Lip gloss. Ooh. I'm kind of doing it backwards because I forgot my eyelid. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Well, let's go setting spray. Spray our face. Okay. Did he go into my eyes? Okay. Oh. Yeah. Let's try and do. Ooh, what is that? Okay. We have 4 minutes. Literally 4 minutes now. We just put eyebrows. Oh, mascara. I brought mascara. Eyeshadow. I'm just fumbling, guys. Eyeshadow. Where is our? Oh, gosh. Oh, 3 minutes. Okay, now I am pausing. What's that word again? Not pausing. I am just freezing. Ah, this is what I said. 3:24, guys. 3:24 minutes. 3:24 minutes. I did a bit of eye primer and some residue on it. Okay. Right. Orange. Okay, we're literally 3 minutes now. Okay, sorry, I know I'm taking too much time. Yeah. Should I yellow on the yes. 2 minutes 34, 2 minutes 34, 2 minutes 34. Ooh, it's looking beautiful. Yeah, oh good. What kind of combination is this? 2 minutes 20. We did our makeup backwards, so I still have 1 minute for like eyebrows, but today we're going out with no eyebrows. Mascara. Where's the bloody mascara? Oh god, that is taking me my time. Oh, it's here. Oh my god. Okay, I have 1 minute 48. I want to wear lashes, but fam, not everyday lashes. Sometimes you want to wear mascara. Ooh. I'm not putting on my lower mascara. Oh, I did what? Okay. Lower. Okay, we just fucking ruin it. We ruin it. Where is that? You know what? Oh god, everything's running. Okay, I have 1 minute 18. 1 minute 18. The leftover of my mascara I will use it on my brows. Ooh, you can see. Oh god, look at I've stained that now. See, I use black on my brows. Okay, I have 1 minute, guys. Oh god, I fucking stained it. So it looks as if I'm wearing brows. So I use my mascara color. Oh god, I bloody stained that. Right, did I do well? This is a finished look. Okay. Anyway, it's gonna make an alarm. I forgot to wear this. What? I wanted to wear my wig, but I don't have my wig with me. I don't have my eyebrows with me, but I did come up with something. I think, yeah, I finished up. We got like 20 seconds left. Oh my god. I tried. Although it's not full coverage, but I tried. I did well. Look at, it's still flawless as ever. Yes, alarm. Time's up. Okay, where's cancel? Yeah, stop. Guys, this is the finished look to our 10 minutes makeup challenge. I think I actually beat it. I did have a time where I wasted like few seconds, there I froze. So within those time, if I have all my items around me, I think I would have still did a good job and beat it. So like for example, if I were to contour, I would have done it. If I were to wear my wig, I think I would have made it. And in my eyebrows, I think I would have made it, because I forgot. I thought I have everything in front of me, I don't want to wear lipstick. I only wear lip gloss. So like, I still have a little bit full bit face, regardless of like the time I use in applying this makeup. I did well. So let me see myself in the mirror. It's not bad. Just that I'm just too hairy. Maybe I should work on the eyeshadow. Yeah. But it's okay, it's better than nothing. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this challenge video and you want me to like do one of these in the future, not even in the future, like here and there, like probably 15 minutes or 20 minutes challenge, or just challenge myself in general, or just to have fun with it. And you guys with makeup, well, I'm open to that. But apart from that, if you do enjoy this video and this video helped you anyway or made you laugh, please leave your comment below, because I want to know about it. Okay, that will help me ginger my swagger to want to film more for you guys. And until then, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and click on that notification icon so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Your comment below are welcome. And on that note, I am gonna see you guys in my next video. Okay, that is a wall for you. And I'll just take my time to just clear off my table, because we are on to the next video.